Komachelo wadhi nyake piny Uganda kuma ji maromo 40 kod 2 owito ngimagi e imbo ma piny Uganda tok monj motim kod kweth njore mar Allied Democratic Forces. Kaluwore kod jatend jolweny e piny Uganda Felix Kulayige, jonjorego nomonjo skul sekondar ma Lubiriha mantiere gwenge ma Kasese. Jopuonjre 39, jodak 2 kod chukdar 1 noneg e monjno.
At the mortuary. Then the others.
Immediately after the short briefing, I ordered each and every student to go to the respective dormitory, ordering them that you should make sure they put padlocks. After putting their padlocks, I also got mine. I locked in my room where I sleep. Within like 3 minutes, I had girls making alarm vigorously. I was like, what is taking place? I had those strangers asking for phones from students, money from the students, toothpaste from the students. After asking for all those, they were like, where do you expect other people? The students kept quiet. Now they began slapping them, kicking them, doing whatever they wished.
It is only 20 bodies that were brought. The 4 died at the theater. And then in the morning we received more 3 casualties. So the doctors are doing their best. They are handling. Currently we are handling 5 victims, and I'm sure they will be worked on. They are progressing well.
At the moment, really, it's a moment of grief, and I say sorry to all Kasese people. I say sorry to all the people of this place, because really we have lost our people.
Watimu monse na jogo kata familia mabende owito